So the first thing we want to do is we want to make an incision from about the nose all the way up to the back of the skull. Might have to put a little bit more pressure on it because this guy has a lot of hair. And as you see, I'm just taking my scalpel. I'm going right along the line of that skin. Right along the line of that skin. Making sure I'm not damaging this big muscle right here. There's another one on this side. That's gonna come off when we actually boil this skull. You see, I accidentally nicked that little muscle right there, but it's alright because that's gonna come off when we boil. Just going down the line. This is actually a little difficult because of all the hair. Ideally, you would want to shave it down before you would start this, if you can. If not, just tough it out. Just stand along those grooves. Just stand right in these grooves. Some connective tissue on the eyeballs. Just get rid of that. So I'm gonna pause it. Alright, so now I'm towards the bottom, towards that bottom jaw. And again, I'm just working, just gonna keep working all the way down. Basically just wanna go along the bone. All that bone, all the meat's gonna be against the bone, so you're just going along that bone. Even at the top here, you just wanna go along that bone. Go against the bone, you can't go wrong. You feel me? That's what I always say. Can't go wrong against the bone. That's what I always say. And just the rest of that vertebrae. Try to twist all that off. There we have it. Skull. Alright. One thing I noticed immediately that's different between dogs and cats is this big old jaw muscle right here, right? Even though this is a small dog, the jaw muscles are very much more pronounced than like our cat that we did. And they also have these big muscles on the top of their skull. And I didn't see that in the first cat that we had. Maybe because it was a kitten, not sure if that was the reason. But yeah, they had really strong jaw muscles, and when I try to open up the mouth, it's kind of hard. I think that's because of the jaw muscles. So just be mindful of that. So it's just something I noticed that was different from our first dissection.